Hey guys, welcome back to channel. This is my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and today I got new software update. This is security patch update April 2026 and as you can see that I am already download this software update, so let's install. By the way, I am already making this smartphone long time review in 2026. Video link also available in the video first comment and also I button, check it out. So as you can see that I am successfully done my software update. So you can see that my smartphone running is still One UI 8 with Android 16. So after the software update I don't face any major problem on my Galaxy S25 Ultra. All the app opening and closing speed are very smooth. So if you guys get the new software update on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, so as soon as possible update your devices. So that's all about our today video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be seeing you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.